What is the difference between equity and income inequality? Now, equality means you want everyone to have the same income. So this is measured by Gini coefficient that measures, okay, disparity in income or income distribution across the whole population. This is different from the concept of equity, which is a bit more subjective, or if you like, normative. Equity can also be thought of as fairness. So equity is a concept that we see a lot of in microecons, okay? Fairness in terms of, number one, whether low-income households have access to necessities. Why? Necessities, as the name suggests, are essential for survival. So it's only fair that even those without the ability to pay, without the dollar votes, have access to that. So we are thinking of healthcare, food, education, and typically this appears in DDSS, where you ask to propose policies to address equity. Okay, so we're thinking of price ceiling or a subsidy. Sometimes it appears under market failure. While it's not a root cause of market failure, a question could ask whether the government should intervene in the market for healthcare more from an externality perspective or an equity perspective. So you have to argue, okay, how each root cause of intervention is justified. Okay, externality is because it leads to loss of efficiency, equity because the good is a necessity, affordability to pay is a question, right? When you synthesize, you could suggest whether the spillover benefits are big or whether the good is indeed a necessity, whether the price is indeed so high such that it's unaffordable. Okay, so equity is something we consider mainly under microecons. And you could also think of equity in terms of helping vulnerable producers, farmers who face volatile income because of weather conditions, or producers of labor services, low-skilled workers or low-wage workers. So we help them with a price floor, aka a minimum wage, right? So that's it. Distinction between equality and equity.